So my name is Peter Houtenbos. I'm here for the firma Kramer BV uit Burgerbrug. And we are importing the Earth Rover laser robot.
And I'm James Miller, CEO at Earth Rover. Come over here to support the demonstration and celebrations at Kramer. So Earth Rover is a UK company with an R&D centre in Barcelona as well. So we have a foot in both UK and still in Europe, as well as our distributor partner here in Holland with Kramer. We are a startup company delivering autonomous field robots using concentrated light and scouting technology to not only kill weeds but also provide crop monitoring data. We've got about 18 robots out in the field at the moment, covering betas that we were doing last year and the pilot units we're trialling this year across a variety of crops from onions, carrots, cabbage, most of the brassicas, broccoli, baby leaf lettuce and spinach.
Yeah, so we as Kramer, we started about maybe 1.5 or 2 years ago working with Earth Rover. My colleague, Jeffrey Mack, he was interested in the technique. He called a couple of times and then he just flew to the UK to make sure we will have a start on this product. So last year we had the beta group, which was 2 or 3 robots in the field, collecting data, improving the machine, and so on and so on. Of course, next to what we have here in the Netherlands, Earth Rover also had some other robots in Spain and in UK as well. And this year, the start of the season, we had 6 robots running over here. 2 in Friesland, 3 in Flevoland, and 1 here in Noord-Holland. And then the 7th is coming.
This way next week.
So it will be here next week. So that's 7 out of 18 here in the Netherlands. So yeah, that's why we were interested in this laser reading technology. It is, of course, well, I always want to say it's the future, but it's not the future anymore because it's here and now working in the field.
Yeah,
the concentrated light.
The concentrated light is the subtle difference, yes. Yeah. So we have a unique patented concept to how we are using light to kill weeds. The best way to describe it is a schoolboy with a magnifying glass. We take multiple sources of light and focus the beam at the growing point of the weed, so it's all aimed directly at that really critical point of the weed. But because we're using lots of sources, small power sources, we don't use half as much energy as you would find with a typical laser weeder. That also allows us to be eye safe within a set distance of the rover. So you don't need to wear these when you're beyond, let's say, 10 meters away. If you're within 10 meters, obviously there's still a risk of that light bouncing up. So you still need to have some form of safety. But it's obviously not as much safety as you would need if you were using much stronger solid laser beam. So something you'll probably notice in the background is our rover has solar panels on board. That's because it's run purely on battery and solar. Daylight today, it's going to carry on quite happily until dark. And then eventually the batteries will drain down in about 4 hours after dark, depending on the weed burden. But that means we've got a full day of operation plus an extra 4 hours after dark. Most of that's enabled by the fact that we are using the least amount of energy for the light sources to kill the weeds and aim directly at that growing point of the weed. It uses AI to identify the location of that weed, so it puts coordinates on it, uses AI to identify that, obviously avoid the crop and then just target those weeds alone. So we're not wasting too much energy as we go through the field.
So the rovers we have running here in the Netherlands are going through onions, carrots, shallots, salsify, red cabbage, and also now testing in white cabbage.
And don't forget, we also did a trial in peonies earlier in the season, which went very successfully. And we've also got 12 other different tree seedlings that can be weeded in using our models. Well, thank you for watching. If you want to find out more about claws and Earth Rover's technology, then visit our website at earthrover.farm. Or, of course, for all of the Benelux viewers, you can come and contact our distributor, Kramer.
Yes, go to kramer-bv.nl. Thank you.